Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will learn how to reconcile the employee expense in Odoo 19. So for this, first go to the expense module here, and here you can see that some of the expenses are already there. So just go to the reporting part and then click on the expense analysis, and here convert this view into the list view. Now you can see all the expenses here. Just click any of them. Let's say I'm clicking on Asuri. So this, wait for a while until it's loading. Now you can see the expense is already in the approved stage. Now you have to just post the journal entries. So for this, just click on post journal entries and then click on post expenses. Once you will click on post expenses, it is already posted state. It is already in the posted stage. That means now the journal entries has been posted against this expense. So now you have to register the payment against this expense. So for that you just click on pay and then click on create payment for the amount 2000. Now it is in the payment stage. That means you have paid but the reconciliation is still left. So for that we will just reconcile this payment. If you will go to the expenses, you can see here that it is in payment stage. Once you will reconcile this expense, it will automatically comes to the paid state. So for that, just go out from the expense module and go to the accounting module. And here in the bank journal, click on transactions and create a new transaction by the label expense, and the amount was 2000. Just write here the amount and then just click add and close. Once you will click on add and close, you can see here are these three dots. Just click on these three dots and then click on reconcile. That, and once you will click on reconcile, you will see the your journal entry here. Select your journal entry and then validate it. You can see it has been reconciled here. So now if you will go to your expenses, if you will check your expense, it will be in the paid stage. You can check it. Now it is in the paid stage. Before that it was in the in payment stage. So that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.